So if we're looking at, crude, we talked the other day, 60 in play, 30 in play right now in the NQ. XLF, you can see a range supporting the line that we're above right now. 30-minute chart here, we said 15 is probably the best, right? This was our reaction line first. Trannies, still climbing a ladder. Obviously the dollar over here that's moving south side broke this shelf right here, searching for support. And then yesterday's launch, remember we said here's our retest coming back in, here's our wedge. So this was admittedly a lucky guess, take everything by this 98.5 area, but that's the power of understanding formations and understanding the power of retests. So this is a very low angel, in terms of a long tail. You got all this to work with here. So I don't like them when they form like this, these tails. I like them a little tighter, closer to the tops or bottoms. And we said this, perhaps today this 2 to 3 area will be pivotal. So for now, anybody that took a first shot, and a reminder, if you don't want exposure to news, you're going to leave yourself with probably a contra trade and try to guess where profit taking will come in and then take the trade. And in this case, that contra happens to align with a major trend. In a day like today with big news coming out, you may not want to hold it all day. You may play hit and run, and that's usually what I advocate, especially pre-market. Get on the scoreboard. So, now we can take away some of these ideas that we'd had here. Big support we'd said back in here. So that's held for now. So maybe take one of these lines out, get it out of our way, and clean things up a little. But we already know that this was our launch, and this is the first retest coming back here. And a conservative exit is get out before here. Don't wait to press your luck and try to get it all. The guy who waits and tries to get it all, he loses big time. Gives it all right back. So if you're picking this business, and it seems lately, unfortunately, if you try to be a pig short side, you really get kicked in the teeth. So, and it won't always be that way. It's just the way it is right now. So gap was back here. We said bounce, look for the 456, which should put us back in and retest this 2 to 3 area. And anything above that is good fortune for the long side right now. So nice trade. Anybody that played the contra trade, and the safer trade really today was that contra trade coming back. And if you were aggressive and playing the short side for that target, which I like today, I thought that was a sensible trade for traders to take something off the table and retest this 99 to 98.5. All right, let's relax a couple of minutes, and the open will be starting about 15 minutes.